Today we fix that, which means I'm going to have to pull this off. I'm going to have to pull that off. I'm going to have to disassemble this. But see, look, that at least works. But it's not unlatching up there, nor is it unlatching down here. So the door doesn't open. So I need to fix that. And that'll be today's project. Okay, so I have this off, and see these little boogers? You got to make sure not to bust those or leave them in the door. So I got them. I can get those ones out, and now I got to get in here because I was able to pull the cables so that I could release the door, so at least it would open. But now I got to figure out how it's disconnected. So I have a feeling it's like right up in there, and I got to figure out what's going on with that. So step 2. Okay, so can you see in there? See that? Got everything all tightened up. The nut was loose, and I had to adjust the cord wire that's dropping down there. And then up here, I had to clean that up a little bit, but everything seemed to be okay. So now when I pull that, it opens. Yay. And then the same thing, whoops, sorry, down here, see this one? Let's see if I can get my finger in there. It's kind of tight. Push that, and it's locked. So when I pull the handle, it releases too. So now I can put the door back together. Voila, all done. Okay, here we go. And it opens. Closes, opens. Yay! Yay me. Next, I'll show you how to burn a frittata.